Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 simple fixes for your LinkedIn app on iPhone if it's not working properly. If it's working improperly or doesn't work at all, 5 of my simple fixes should be able to help you, and after each of them I recommend trying and seeing if the app works now, or if the problem that happens with your app appears only occasionally. You may want to do all of these fixes to prevent that problem from happening in the future. And the most common thing is an update. It is very important to keep your apps updated so it just works. So let's get to the App Store, and in App Store search for LinkedIn. Then, even if it says open right here, you may still want to click on the LinkedIn logo and see if it says update here. If it does, then click on update, and once it's updated, you may see if it works. If it still doesn't, then go to settings. In settings, we'll check our permissions if everything is set correctly. So scroll all the way down to apps. Then scroll to LinkedIn. Now go into LinkedIn and you'll see a big list of permissions. And if any of these permissions are disabled, then features connected with that permission just won't work. So if you have photos set to none, then you won't be able to append photos within messages or posts. Microphone will allow you to record videos. The camera won't allow you to take photos, right? The background app refresh is pretty crucial to receive notifications, and because it just needs to refresh the app in the background in order to find these new notifications. And the mobile data is pretty crucial when you are using LinkedIn without Wi-Fi, when you're outside of your home and you're just connected to your mobile data. Once that's sorted and your app still doesn't work, you may want to restart your phone. This is a simple fix that often helps. So in order to do it, just press on 2 buttons at once, the power combined with either of the volume buttons. It'll show you this screen. Just slide to power off and wait to 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, start pressing and holding on the power button until the Apple logo comes up on the screen. Once it does, just release the button and wait. Now, I'm gonna unlock the phone, and now you'll be able to see if your app works now. If it doesn't, then we may head to reinstall that app, but before we do it, please make sure that you have access to your account. You know the password, you know the login and whatever, because without it, you won't be able to log in. If you reinstall the app, it just logs you out. If you don't really remember your password, then go to Passwords app, because there's a chance that within this app there will be your passwords saved. So here you can maybe find the LinkedIn, as you can see here, and it says that it's sign in with Apple, so I don't really need to remember my password. But if you're not using sign in with Apple, then under email you will see your password, and you don't really have to click on it to memorize it or whatever. Since it's saved in the passwords, it will be there, but if it's not either memorized by you or saved in the passwords, then I wouldn't risking risk reinstalling the app because you may lose the access. But for the future, just remember to know your passwords. Press and hold on the LinkedIn, then remove app, delete app, then delete app to uninstall it once you're sure you can log in later. And then go to App Store, go to search and search for LinkedIn. Then download it again. Once it's downloaded, it honestly should be all working again. But if it doesn't, then the last step that I can show you is freeing up the storage. Each of the apps on your phone, including LinkedIn, requires some free space to cache some files temporarily, and you can just go to the settings, right, and go to General, then see iPhone storage, and you can see that I have almost 31 gigabytes of storage free. That means that it's quite a lot, but if you have something around 200 megabytes, it may not be sufficient enough, and you should either uninstall some of the apps that you don't use, if you can. Just like get rid of any app that you don't need, like let's see what I don't need. Maybe the X. You can either upload it or delete it. Deleting will delete the app with its data, but offloading will reduce app size to 0, but documents and data will stay. So if you reinstall the app in the future, it will reinstate your data if the app is, of course, available to download. So you can just either download or offload it, or if you can't download or offload any of the apps that you have, you can go to Photos, and on my personal phone, the photos take up 50 gigabytes of storage. That's quite a lot. And I do have lots of duplicated photos or photos that I just don't need. So if I were about to free up some storage, I would most probably head to the Photos app, click on Select, and select the ones that I don't need. Just select plenty of them, of course, only the ones that you are sure you want to delete. Then click on the trash icon, delete these photos, and now you should be able. Also, it's great to delete videos because videos actually take up the most storage, and now it's not yet permanently deleted. It's just moved to recently deleted folder for 30 days, and it's great because it gives you a chance to change your mind and maybe revert these photos if you go to recently deleted, but it means that it doesn't free up your storage for a month. And if you want to free it up now, go to recently deleted. You can unlock it with Face ID or passcode, then you'll see the recently deleted pictures. And if you're sure that there are pictures that you really want to delete forever, just click on select the ones that you want to delete, click on 3 dots, then not recover but delete permanently, and now your storage should be freed up and your LinkedIn should be working. If it still isn't, then after freeing up storage, try restarting your phone again, and if still doesn't work, then it's probably not your phone's fault. It's just that either the LinkedIn servers are down right now and will be probably restored in several hours, or it's that the LinkedIn developer has to release an update that hasn't been yet rolled out, so just check App Store frequently for updates, and if there are any, make sure to install them right away. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.